Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set conditional radio buttons in a fillable PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to create interactive forms that require specific selections from users, making data collection more organized and efficient to get started. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your recent files and select the PDF file you want to work with. This brings up your document and prepares it for editing. Now look over to the left panel where you'll find various options, navigate to All Tools and click on View More. This expands the menu to show you additional features that Adobe Acrobat offers. From this expanded view, look for Prepare a Form and click on it. This tool is specifically designed for creating and editing interactive form fields, which is exactly what we need for adding radio buttons. Next, click on Create Form. This initiates the form preparation mode, allowing you to add different interactive elements to your PDF. You might notice the interface changes slightly to accommodate the form editing tools. In the left panel, you'll see different form field options. Click on Radio Button. Radio buttons are perfect for situations where you want users to select only one option from a group of choices. Once you've selected the Radio Button tool, your cursor changes, indicating you're ready to place it on the document. Click anywhere on your PDF where you want to position the radio button. You can add more radio buttons if your form requires multiple options or groups. Simply repeat the placement process for each additional button you need. Now, to adjust the size and position of your radio buttons, click on the Select Text icon in the left toolbar. This allows you to manipulate the radio button elements. Click on any radio button you've added to resize it by dragging the corners or edges until it fits perfectly within your form layout. Here's an important step. Right-click on the radio button, then select Set as Required field. This ensures that users must make a selection before they can submit or complete the form, which is crucial for collecting necessary information. Before finalizing everything, you'll want to test how your form works. In the bottom left corner, click Preview. This mode lets you interact with the form exactly as your users would, so you can verify that the radio buttons function correctly and appear as intended. Take a moment to click through the options and ensure everything behaves as expected. Once you're satisfied with how the form looks and functions, click Exit Preview in the upper right corner. This returns you to the editing mode. Finally, in the upper right corner, click the Save button to preserve all your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created conditional radio buttons in your fillable PDF form, making it interactive and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.